What you doing? You swimming? Hey, little bean. You swimming? Lena, don't do that. Swimming. Swimming. Move it where? Where are you going? Can you say, hi, Grandma? Can you say, hi, Gigi? No, you're drinking the water now. Melina, don't drink the water. Melina, can you say, hi, Gigi?
Hi, Gigi.
What about Pop Pop? Can you say, hi, Pop Pop? Can you say, hi, Grandpa? Can you say, hi, Grandpa?
Hi, Papa.
That's so nice. Say, love you.
Love you.